Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's Megan Ryan and I'm back actually with take 2. I was recording it really nicely and then I forgot to hit pause and unpause while I was recording, and yeah, I'm having sore throat now because of I was talking too fast. So man, you have to subscribe here. I got tired making recaps. So if you haven't, please, then please, if you haven't, please subscribe. It's taking so much time, so much of my time just to, show you guys how I trade. But today I'm going to show you more detailed, I'm tired, more detailed recap on how I make lines, because a lot of people are asking, how do I do these lines? And how do I trade the stock? How do I decide if it's a short or long or. So basically, let's say, so today I traded C, which is Citibank. Let's go to Citibank. So I traded Citibank short. I didn't have much lines on Citibank because I was just going to focus on pins actually. But the reason why I took Citibank long is a bit too much. I think there's gonna be a sell-off. That's what I was thinking, because the move was crazy. It needs to sell off at the open, and then I was just going to risk the opening price, which is 47. So that was a good trade. It stopped me out. I waited for it to break down of this low of this candle here and makes a red candle, and then I took it short, and then I took profit here. Eventually it stopped me out. Eventually it did the move I wanted. So this is the move I was expecting. Quick trade. But I did not expect this to continue that strong. But it's a gap up stock. You can probably trade it somewhere at this area here at 63 or 73 and risk below VWAP or below this candle. So that's about, 1% of this is about $4.80. So you can probably trade either 40 cents or half of it if you want to trade tighter. And then let's look more on pins, more detailed look on pins. So that's where I traded pins. So it's a gap up stock. So as much as possible, we want to gap up. We want to trade it long above VWAP because it's a gap up, right? So where did I get levels? So let's look at the blue ones first, or let's look at the red ones first. Red ones are daily candle levels, or it's either a low or a high. So there was a really good level there, which is 662, right? 62 and 68, 2068 and 62. So let's look how I got those levels. Okay, 62 area here. As you can see, there's a level here. So there's another one. There's a low. There's another level here. That's a low. So that's 2. There's another one here. That's a high. So that's 62 area. So that's how I kind of like look at the levels. It's easy. So if you see a few days lows or highs of the daily candles, you mark it thicker because it means that those are few days. So same for this one here, the 38. There's a low here. There's kind of like a low here. So there's a high here. Oh no, that's for the second one. So there's another low here. Low. So the 1, 2. So this is 1. This is 2, 3, and 4. So the max I think it can go is 38. So this 1910 is a green area. It means it's probably going to bounce because that's going to be 180R. So this is also 180R from kind of like an open-ish area. So that's a 180R is the range of the candle it moves per day. So 180R of this is $1.30. So you add from here, like roughly from here, $1.38. So that's what I got. Same for here. So the blue lines are intraday level. So the blue lines are intraday levels. As you can see here, I'm marked. This is intraday level. This one is already marked. That's why I didn't make it thicker. This is also a level here. Is this recording? Yes, it is recording. So this like here, as you can see, those are levels, right? And there's another level here. I already have a level. This could have been a nice level here, but I did not draw. I don't know why. So just look left all the time. Look left, you will see levels, and trading levels are great. It means if it held before, it's gonna hold again, or if not, it's gonna become a support and resistance, right? Sometimes support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support, and most of the time it works. You have a higher edge of winning. As you can see here, that was the high, right? And this was the low, the 62 lows. So that's great. So this is just 15 minutes. You can immediately see where are the lines or where are the levels. Okay. My God, sore throat. I don't have COVID. It's just when I talk so much, get a bit of sore throat. So, you know, let's watch now. But of course, before everything else, I make so much effort to make this recap. What you can do is subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and follow me in my social media accounts. So I know I only have a few viewers, but I don't care. As long as a few of you are learning, messaging me, you're learning, I'm happy. That's the goal. Let's start, like at least, you know, that's what I can do. I have a bit of free time and before going to work, and then I share what I learned, and that's it. So for pins, the way I traded pins is, let's have a quick one here. So the way I trade pins is there's no volume. Like that was my main trigger for the day. I didn't want to trade C because, you know, it's a non-popular stock. It's also like heavy stock, almost 2 billion. So C, as you can see, the first 3 minutes there's no candle, there's no volume, right? So I waited, and the 4th minute the volume came in, showed up, and then that's where I took it long for this breakout of 2005, because it's gonna squeeze. If there's a volume coming in here, it touches 06. I got filled really bad, 10 cents late. So, but it was still strong. Imagine if I got filled at 06. Wow, look at that, and just risk 20 cents of this. So 1% of this is 20 cents. So we'll probably risk 1% as well to make a 2% move. So that's the 2% move there. Okay, so let's watch. Yep, so as you can see here, really no volume, not yet in the first minute, but as you can see, let's go here. See, as a volume, the reason why I shorted it is it was a bit too far from VWAP, and then it was just pre-market. It needs a sell-off. If you look at the pre-market, it needs a bit of a sell-off in the first few minutes, and that's what I was thinking. So I expected a sell-off. So as you can see here, there's almost 1 million volume in the first minute. Yeah, it touched 1 million, and then it rejected 47. Right? I didn't take it long because you know, it was a huge red candle with volume as well. And then I'm not feeling it taking it long because it was just a bit too extended. As you can see here, 6%. So I prefer to go to continuation if it's maybe 3% area or 4%. So I waited as maybe it can be a sell-off. As you can see here, even the sell-off, there's another volume. So it's 1.6 now. So I have an area here. What's my area? 46, 80 area, or 80 area, or 47. So I can risk probably actually 20 cents. That's a bit tighter because 1% of the stock is $4.60. Normally I'd take 1% of this. That's kind of my risk. And then the range of this is also 47. So that's like 1% of the stock already, right? So I risk a bit tighter here, I think. So I shorted. So look at that risk, a little tight. There you go. So that's the move. I've taken a bit here. I did not take all of it because I need at least maybe 2 to 1. If 3 to 1 will be tough. And then eventually it stopped me out because I think it was just strong. So the wick here, I said, okay, it's probably going to chop. I don't want to trade this. And then look what happened. It continued. So that's the move that I wanted. I probably could be started taking profit here and all the way to 46.20, right? Yeah, but you know, it moved without me. It's fine. Let's fast forward, see what happens. Yeah, even I take profit here, it's probably gonna stop me out again here. But yeah, it was it was chopping. I'm really glad I did not force myself to trade that, but because I want to trade pins. Let's look here. Let's make sure it's recording. Yes, it is recording. As you can see here, pins has a level. It moved about 30 cents, so that's more than 1% of the stock. It's gap up 14%. That's a lot. So I was thinking maybe it's gonna sell off, but maybe not, right? So you always have to be 50-50 when trading the open, because you can be wrong. You can't say just, oh, it's above VWAP, I'll take it long. It's below VWAP, I'll take it short. Those are only like guidance, or maybe will give you a bit more what's this, I don't know the term. I think probably strategies will help you and give you a bit more confidence to take the trade, but it doesn't matter, you're going to be right all the time, right? So as you can see here, it's a gap up stock. I was thinking if I'm going to trade this long for a breakout, I'll probably trade it above VWAP, because it's a bit too extended for the day. I was kind of scared, but there's no volume in the first minute. As you can see here, only 195,000 in the first 3 minutes. It's also a nicey stock. It does that all the time. And then let's wait for the volume to come in. There you go. So that's the volume, right? You have to wait for that pop. There, that's the volume. 990,000 volume. So that's where let's watch this twice the speed only. Okay. Oh man, that was too fast. Okay. So that's 04. High of this candle is 05. I think 06 is high of day. So I'm gonna trade 05 because that's the level I have. 06, 05. Let's look at level 2 here. That's where I look. If it touches 06, 07, or 08, I'll take it long. Risk 94. This area here, the opening price. So that's gonna be around 20 cents, right? It's also 1%. The stock is $20. So 1% of that is 20 cents. You can trade 20 cents out of it. Let's play this. Come on. There you go. It touched 06, 08. I was late. Just a few seconds late. As you can see here, it touched 06, 08. I took it long. It's already a few cents away. It's only a few milliseconds late. That's how crazy it is. You have to react really fast. Okay. So my average is let's fast forward this a bit. My average is 18. Really bad feel. I said if it goes 10, somewhere at 10, I'm gonna just stop out, or 05. That's what I was thinking. There you go. Oh, there you go. So that's the move that I was expecting. Let's go here. Oh, 1 sec. So there you go. There you go. Ooh, I sent a market order there, but it's not. It's just 10%. I got filled. That's why, you know, with this kind of move, you don't want to use market orders. Will get you feel really bad. So my next trade, I sent a limit order, I think. So there you go. So there you go. So I'm sending just limit orders. Limit orders. I have to wait. Limit orders. Keep telling myself limit orders. So I gained enough profit here already, because you know, I've good profit in C, a little bit of profit in C, and there you go. Come on. Let's just sending limit orders because I don't want to go for a bad slippage. So I was taking 25% here. I waited, and there's another level here. It's 68. I said, okay, I'm gonna wait for a pop and more volume. As you can see here, more volume came in. There you go. I took majority of my shares. That's it. Easy peasy. But imagine if I get filled somewhere 06, could have been a few cents more or 10 cents more. Could have been really nice profit, better profit. Yeah, so making it simple. Respect your stop, like what I did on Citibank, even though I was right, but you know, always respect your stop. Like imagine here, once after I took profit, stop, send order, stop. So I have those shortcuts in my hotkey, in my mouse, and yeah, Let's fast forward this because I'm running out of time. Oh, sorry about that. So I said if I'm gonna add and play around with my shares, it's time for me to play. I'm gonna add somewhere at this level here. So I sent an order, I got filled right away. The new average is 2026. And I stop out because okay, I'm not gonna play around with this anymore. I'm done for the day. It's Friday. Let's just end the day. So I'm done in just 17 minutes. Made the goal in 17 minutes. That's why I like trading the open. You only need a few minutes to trade, but you have to respect your stop. You have to trade with stop, like all the time, right? So I hope you guys learned something from this. Where is it? Yeah, so as you can see here, it touched the level that I had, right? That's amazing. So this is 2070 level area, and there's another level here. It's actually a level here. It did not, I failed in this one. But there's another level here at 1962. Let's see where it goes. Let's see, 1 second. Okay, so take note of that 1962 and 2068. Take note of those levels. And look how accurate it is. It's not very accurate. It's only 1 cent away. My level is 62. I have it at 63 here. But, maybe because I missed one candle in there. Oh, there's also a low of pre-market. So that also helped. So you can probably take that long. Take the short. Just levels, man. Seriously. Sorry, I sounded like I was bragging in there. It's just, I'm saying, like, don't make it complicated. That's what I'm saying. Like, when trading, just trade the price action and levels, see how it goes. Look at the volume, price action. You don't have to make it really complicated with all those whatever. I don't even know any strategy. I don't call anything. Just make it simple. Seriously, it's just trade price action levels, and yeah, that's it. And find where the VWAP is. Yeah, I think that's about it. So, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel because this takes time to make a recap. This was my take 2. Imagine this is a 17-minute recap now. So imagine it cost me almost more than an hour preparing and recording and all those things. And I don't get people to subscribe. The reason why I'm subscribing here because to share what I learned and how I trade the open. Take note, we're just trading the open because that's the only time we have. Okay. Have a good weekend, everyone. It's Friday, and see you guys next week. Bye.